Good morning, good morning. You are like glycerin.
Glittering today. I sparkle.
Well, let's give a quick introduction of yourself to our folks.
My name is Cheryl, and I live in St. Louis, Missouri, and I've had a beautiful, beautiful tour.
And
It's my
she's
dream to move here one day, and I just love it here, and I'm not ready to go back home, and I don't really miss anything except my mommy, and I want to go.
that is excellent. That is excellent. Well, we're here at the wonderful One Africa Resort, and I'm trying to find the best way to let people know how much fun and excitement.
It's paradise. It's
and-
heaven.
Yeah, I'm trying to define paradise for everybody, and I'm showing them and trying to get you to say a few words that will let them know let them know
Everyone-
how peaceful and wonderful it is to be here at One
It's
Africa.
peaceful. You don't hear gunshots. People don't get shot every day. It's peace. It's just beautiful. It'll bring everybody should come at least one time and experience this. It's not what you conceive to think it's like. It's totally different. It's heaven. It's beautiful, and I love it, and I feel it. You know, I love it here.
And the thing of it, we went on 4 different regions. So we're here at the 4th region, which is the central region, which is more, more of the tropical feel, tropical look. And we have our brother Righteous here. Righteous, come on in the mix.
This is the prince right here. I call him the prince.
We get the style of, we get the style from your style of cultural look.
Okay, this is from Nigeria.
Oh, gee.
Yes, I'm in Nigeria. Part of the group. I'm the tour assistant, making sure everything's under control. So, looking forward to see you guys next year.
Yes. So much love here, man.
Well, how has your journey been?
Well,
What has been your favorite part?
my favorite part is here.
Yes, beautiful. The
You
ocean.
know, the ocean,
It puts you to sleep at night.
breeze,
We're gonna let everybody get a view of that ocean.
okay?
It puts you to sleep.
Just like that.
The atmosphere is just beautiful. You know, we got full body massage, we have reflexology, we have the beauty treatments, we had the
So you got all of that done?
pedicures and the manicures,
You got
everything, baby.
You got busy over the last few weekends. Your pocketbook, your bank account should be light now.
Yeah, it's all right. That's what money well spent. My food is awesome.
Hey, Sass.
Sister Anika's laid us out with the buffet every night. It was delicious.
And we have Sass right there running instead of coming
We
back to
got
the camera.
babies running around here. It's just beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's a whole family.
Yeah, family, man.
This is Sass.
And this is Cheryl's roommate.
Yes, my girl.
My sister,
my
myself.
Are you getting along? Are you getting along with Cheryl?
That's my sister.
Yeah, man. We
From the first journey.
yeah.
Yeah,
They
connection.
say we balance each other.
Very much so. She's the queen. I'm the princess.
What was the best part of your journey?
The best part of my journey is
It's
just
hard to say.
well, it's all the best. Every day is the best. Every day is like heaven on earth.
What about where you at right now?
Oh, this is paradise, man.
How would you
Oh, yeah.
compare it to the rest of
One
your
Africa.
journey?
One Africa. It's home base for me.
Mama, I'm like
Yeah, Mama Amakus.
She's so full of wisdom, you know?
yeah.
It's
Shabazz.
like a mother, you know?
The whole family here at One Africa. When I come back here, I consider myself at home. And we all are extended to feel such a way, but I feel it. Yeah. I love waking up on the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean.
Well, we appreciate everybody's feedback. We're gonna get everybody a view of this part of the property, an Atlantic Ocean, and then we'll link back up with you later. Alright, so family, until next time, we'll see you live on Revolutionary Cam in Ghana.